Yeah, thank you, John. It smells wonderful over here. And Paula, of course, from the Waverly area. And this is a recipe that was your grandmother's.
Right. The bread pudding part is Grandma's. The French toast combination is my part.
And you said your grandma, when she was 80, would still make this for your mom for
Yeah,
her
this
birthday?
is my mom's birthday treat, is bread pudding, and she would make a lemon pudding
glaze
type thing on it when she made it, but I tweaked it to make it a little bit of me, a little bit. We added syrup into the mix, so you get a little bit extra. But what you do is you just take the slices of the bread pudding.
And you make it the night before.
You make it the night before, and then it sits up in the fridge overnight and really, really sets up nice. And the fun thing about bread pudding is you can throw anything you like in it. If you want nuts, if you want raisins, cherries, and I have a neighbor friend of mine who uses leftover kolaches.
I like that idea when they get a little bit dry.
Yeah, and then you can just throw them in here and you just cook them like you would do your normal French toast.
Okay.
You have your syrup and
here it is.
Yeah,
let's take a look at this. So this is something that families could make the night before.
Right.
If you have stale bread or kolaches or whatever's on hand, make it the night before, put it in the refrigerator, and then it's ready to go for school the next day, right?
Right, and the fun thing about it is if you make your normal bread pudding recipe, just do it in a loaf pan instead of a cake pan. It gets the nice size slices, and you can make it as thick or as thin as you like. I will tell you, one piece is probably enough for most people.
Yeah.
It's a little rich, but like I said, you can throw anything you want in it. Use any kind of bread. This happens to be a loaf of French bread that I had left over.
Ooh.
And
looks good.
So
I'm going to give this one a try. I know my butter doesn't look the best. I didn't have a
that's
knife
okay.
to spray. Let's see. Let's give this a try here. It's very good.
Well, I'm glad you like it, and it's a fun thing to do if you have leftover bread pudding. You can make
make French toast
with it.
Yeah, I know John loves bread pudding, so to save one of those for him.
I will do so.
The recipe is on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page already, and we'll send it back over to you, John.